September. Well, I just think the work experience on T-levels is good for like future employment and stuff because it shows that you actually have experience in the field. I'm thinking like aerospace or possibly architecture. I'm not too sure yet. It's been good. I've learnt a lot like about engineering and all that, and physics as well. Yeah, they have. They're really good at explaining everything and like just making sure that you know what you're doing. Do it. It's like totally worthwhile. Like you get all the work experience, you get all the theory work as well. Like it's great.